So we have successfully created a new post by the name first post, and it is visible to us on the post page. And we have also successfully created the category called the Facebook marketing category, and inside it we have posted the first post. If we click on the continue reading, then it will shows the full content of our post. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel on WP Punch. In this video, we are going to learn how to add and create new posts and categories in our WordPress website. So if you are interested in learning how to easily create a website using WordPress, then consider subscribing to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get all the notifications whenever I upload a video. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. So after starting the Apache and MySQL services, just go to your dashboard. And here on the left hand side you can see there is an option called post. Just click on it, and here you will see all the posts of your website. So by default there are two posts that are provided to us by the theme. So we need to add a new post, so just click on add new, and then this page will appear in front of you. So just add any title of the post you want. I am typing first post. And in the content block you can type any of the content that you want. For example, I am typing this is my first post. Simply copy and paste this. Also, if you want to add any of the image to your post, then you can just simply click on this plus icon and then click on the image, and then you can upload any of the image that you want to upload. For example, I want to upload this image. So this image will appear with this post on the post page. So on the right hand side you can see there is an option called document, and there are various of the options in it. There is an option called excerpt. So this is the option which allows us to display the initial content of the post. For example, in the website you can see that this is the initial content of the post which is displaying to us. If we click on the continue reading, that we will see the whole post. So if you want to display any of the initial content as you want, then you can type that content here. But if you don't want to type any content, that it will by default take the first of the few lines of your post and display it as the initial content. So for example, I want to type this is my first post, and this line will appear whenever this post will be displayed on our site. So after clicking on the publish button, just click on publish, and then just go to a website and click on the refresh button. You can see that our first post is available to us, displaying in front of us, and this is the excerpt that we have provided in the excerpt column. So if you click on the continue reading, then we can see our whole post. This is the whole content, this is the image that we have provided. So in this way you can add any number of posts that you want to a website. So now we are going to learn how to add and create the categories in our website. So what are categories? Categories are used to just to group together similar kind of post in our website. For example, there are many types of it is possible that you may have various types of posts in your website and you want to group together the similar kinds of posts. So in that case we need to create a category and then add the similar kinds of posts to that category. So in order to create a new category, just go to this post option. In this you can see that there is an option called category. Just click on it, and then here it will shows us the options to create the new category. You just type the name of the category that you want. For example, I am just typing Facebook marketing, and then there's an option called slug. We will discuss about the slug in the later videos, and it is asking us for a description. You can leave it, or if you want then you can describe the category, and it is also asking us for the parent category. So we will leave it for this now, and then just click on the add new category, and then our new category will be created. But if we go to a website and then refresh our page, then this category will not be visible to us. So to make this category visible to us, we need to go to the appearance and go to the menus, and we need to add this category to our main menu bar. So just go to the categories, and here if you click on the view all, then you can see that the new category that we have created, Facebook marketing. Just select it and then click on add to menu, and this will be added to our menu. We can also drag it to up and down wherever you want. And if you want to make it a subcategory of any of the page, then you can just slightly move it to the right and it will become a subcategory. So if we just click on the save menu and then we click on go to our website and then just refresh our website, then you can see that if we hover on the sample page, then there is a category called the Facebook marketing. If we click on it, then it is showing us nothing is found because we have not added any of the posts in our category. But right now, first of all, we need to make the Facebook marketing as a separate category. Just click on save menu and then go to a website. You can see that it is showing us separately. Now we need to add the post to our new created category. So just go to the dashboard and then here in the post section, you can see that there are the posts. For example, if we want to add this post in our category, so just click on the quick edit and then you can see there is an option called categories. So if we click on the Facebook marketing, then it will become a part of the Facebook marketing category. Uncategorized category is the default category that is provided to us by the theme. So if you want to uncheck it, then you can uncheck it. If you check both of these options, then this post will become the part of both of the categories. So right now I am just unchecking this option and then just click on update. And if you go to a website now and click refresh button, then you can see that the first post is now available to us in the Facebook marketing category. If we go to the home page, then we can see all of the posts, and if we go to the Facebook marketing, then we can see only the first post that we have added to our category. So in this way we can add any number of the categories and posts to our website. So if we go to the dashboard, for example, if we want to add this post hello world to our Facebook marketing category, so just click on the edit option and then on the right hand side you can see that there is an option called categories. So if we check on the Facebook marketing category and then click on the update, then this hello world post will also be visible to us in the Facebook marketing category. If we click on refresh button, and then we can see that this post has been available to us in the Facebook marketing category. So in the coming videos we are going to learn more interesting stuff related to WordPress. So if you are liking the videos, then consider subscribing to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon and share with your friends, like the videos. And also if you want to give any of the suggestions or doubts, then feel free to comment down on the video. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.